2022 Toyota GR86 First Look. The lightweight affordable sports car is back.
Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribing so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you get notification updates about the latest videos from us. Thank you.
New name aside, the GR86 copies the recipe for Toyota's former 86A rear-wheel drive 2+2 coupe. Meaning it is once again mechanically identical to the Subaru BRZ that both affordable sports cars live to see a second generation and keep doing battle with the likes of Mazda's MX-5 Miata and somewhat tangential lithe soon-to-be-replaced Nissan 370Z marks a pleasant surprise. It shows the value in two automakers, in this case Toyota and Subaru, collaborating on low-volume but incredibly fun cars, sharing the development costs and making the project pencil financially. It's the reason the GR Supra exists, having been co-developed with BMW. The project also birthed the latest Z4 Roadster. Enough Collaborator talk. Will the GR86 be more powerful? If you're familiar with the newest Subaru BRZ's particulars, then you already know what's going on under the GR86's new duds. The last generation model's 2.0-liter flat-4 engine has been enlarged to 2.4 liters, just as it has in the new BRZ. And while Toyota isn't talking power and torque outputs just yet, we can offer an educated guess. Both outputs will grow. Expect peak HP and torque figures to mirror the new BRZ's 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet. Gains of 23 horses and 28 pound-feet of twist respectively. Both 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmissions will be offered. You know which one we'd suggest buying. Hint: it's the one with a third pedal. Though automatic transmission models will include Subaru's camera-based EyeSight suite of active safety features, Toyota says the bigger engine, and its yet unspecified power, will be more responsive and quicken the car's estimated 0 to 62 mph time from 7.4 seconds to 6.3. That's quite the jump. Still lightweight, still a sports car. Because the GR86 continues to use a flat-4 engine which lays the cylinders down flat rather than vertically as in the far more common inline-4 format. Its hood stays very low-dimensional. Lithe new Toyota is nearly the same size as the old 86. The claimed 2,800 pound curb weight to a right on the money. A 2017 Toyota 86,860 edition we tested weighed in at 2,785 pounds. Brake time equals 0.4 s, greater than happily. The new GR86 maintains the previous model's front engine, rear drive proportions, with a long hood, tight greenhouse, and stubby rear deck. Only minor changes were made to the 86's front end relative to its BRZ sibling. In a bid to drag the sports car's center of gravity closer to the pavement, the GR86's roof and fender panels are now made from aluminum, and unspecified revisions to the seats and mufflers help, too. Overall, torsional rigidity is up by approximately 50%, a potential boon to the rear drive car's handling and ride comfort. A more solid base for the suspension to mount to can allow engineers to fine-tune responsiveness and bump absorption with fewer compromises. Remember, big power was never the 86's game. Sweet handling and a wonderfully balanced chassis were, and we expect more of the same from the new car, especially following a recent ride in the new Subaru BRZ.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.